Anyway, good evening, everyone. So on behalf of the Canadian batchmates and classmates, I think lima lang kami. Nasabi na ni Melit, ni Bong. So, salamat at for this opportunity. Hindi ko na babasahin yung pin-prepare ko. Anyway, I know gutom na lahat. So I'll just make it short. Salamat sa pagkakataong ito at nagkita-kita tayo. Hopefully, hindi lang ito yung the end. So hopefully magkita pa tayo, ano ba, susunod after Golden? Diamond? No. 75th is Emerald, right? Emerald and then Diamond. Hopefully magkita-kita pa tayo. So, O next year daw, we daw next year. Anyway, it's so nice to see everyone, all of you once again. Let's enjoy the night. Hindi ko na patatagalin kasi I know gutom na lahat. So, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
Let's call on Gia Monson. Pero nag-i-explain na
Okay.
sagit na sagit lang.
Please, our chairman na
Chairman ng design team and head ng Souvenir Program Committee.
Very hardworking.
Oo, grabe. Super.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ang gaganda nyo. At ang popogi. Yan. Kailangan nyo magpa-picture dun sa photo wall sapagkat tayo ay maglalabas ng souvenir program ulit. Meron na tayo dati noong 25th year. Ito ay ating pang Golden Jubilee. Ngayon, meron kayong susulatan na form na kung ano lang yung gusto nyong ilagay natin sa tapat ng pangalan ninyo. Oo, sa Damango, andun yung inyong full name at ang inyong birthday. Dito sa 25th anniversary naman, na andun ang inyong mga pangalan ng mga anak at specific na address. Ngayon, nag-iingat lang tayo because this may be reused or reproduced. No, diba? Baka mag-viral kayo. Diba? O kaya, i-stalk kayo sa Google Earth. Dito pala nakatira si Daisy. So, okay. Seritos. Ngayon, meron kayong form na matatanggap sa inyong table. Full name ang inyong ilalagay. Middle name, last name, at kung nag-asawa ay maiden name, date of birth. Kung kayo ay taga-Pilipinas, barangay, city, or province. Kung taga-abroad, city, state, or country. But you can choose to just fill up your name. Kung ayaw yung ilapalagay natin yung details dito sa libro because this will be distributed among advertisers also. Tsaka baka makuna ng picture at i-post sa Facebook. Yun, nag-iingat lang tayo.
Doon sa ating Damango, nakalagay doon ang ating full name, birthday, at saka yung kung saan tayo nakatira. And yung parang membership ng Athena Club yata. So, kung ano lang ang gusto nyong mag-appear dito sa ating golden, issue. Golden issue. Golden issue, yeah.
Sisikapin naming makapture ang mga memories na maaring malimutan nyo na nangyari sa gabing ito.
Yeah.
So, meron tayong souvenir program printed. So, yung hindi pa nagpapakuha, maaari lamang po na pumost doon sa ating photo wall. Susubukan naming itag ang bawat isa para alam nyo na, oy, si Aileen to, si Ray. Yun. Yan lang po. Maraming salamat.
Thanks, Guy.
Sheltered me from harm, kept me warm, kept me warm. You gave my life to me, set me free, set me free. The finest years I ever knew. Long as things I ever do, and I would be like to make it with you. I really think that we can make it, girl.
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones that today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back your. There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain. When I believed in forever, everything would stay the same. Now my heart feel like December when somebody say your name. Cause I can't reach out to call you, but I know I will one day. Hey. Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. Hey, hey. But everything gon' be alright. Gonna raise a glass and say, hey. Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones that today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back your.
Tatlong Eva. Evang Eva. Iba na. Okay lang po. Pero isa pa rin po ang re-reveal nating winner. Okay, sige, tatlo na lang po sila. Eva, Adan, Eva, Adan, Eva, Adan, Eva, Adan, Eva, Adan, Eva, Adan.
Eva, Adan. Eva, Adan. Eva, Adan.
Ay, sayang, tita. Sayang. Eto na. Face-off challenge na to. Face-off. So, face-to-face po, tita. Dito po. Ayan. Pakilala mo na po ang pangalan.
Julie Shopping.
Julie.
Imelda.
And, ay, wala ka. Imelda 2. Naku. Nasa kanila ang ano, treasure. Yamashita treasure. Okay lang kaya. Face-to-face po. Harap po kayong dalawa.
Eva, Adan. Eva, Adan. Eva, Adan. Eva, Adan.
Ay, sayang, tita. So we have a winner, Miss Julie. Congratulations. Picture pa, picture. So, without further ado, let the impersonators entertainment begin. Begin.
Bakit ba ganyan ang buhay ng tao? Mayroong mayaman, may api sa mundo. Kapalaran kung hanapin, di matakbuhan. At kung minsa'y lumalapit nang di mo alam, o bakit kaya may ligaya't lumbay sa pag-ibig, may bigot tagumpay. Di malaman, di maisip kung ano kapalaran sa atin ay of your hand makes my pulse react. That it's only the thrill of falling, girl, opposites attract. It's physical, only logical. You must try to ignore that it means more than that. Oh, what's love got to do? Got to do with it. What's love but a second-hand emotion? What's love got to do? Got to do with it. Who needs a heart when a heart can be broken? It may seem